Where did that other screw go? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. A quick little fun fact, just in case you need to replace the tires on your E-flite Extra 330. The 300 is my favorite plane. I mean, I have flown the wheels off of it, literally. I have replaced the wheels on it 3 times now with just whatever I can find. It's had Aero Scout wheels on it. It's had several, maybe 2 sets of apprentice wheels plus the ones that came on it. The foam tires actually wear out. Before you know it, the wheel pants are like, dragging the ground. So I just wanted to see what size the axle shaft was and how big the tires were to see if I had a spare set already, which I don't. So these are where the hub is not flush with the tire. It sticks out just a little bit. That way it won't rub on the wheel pant. And I'll show you, I'll compare it to another one so you can see what I'm talking about real quick, and that way you'll know, in case you want to order some, that you need to pay special attention to the hub. It doesn't need to be sitting inside or the tire will rub on the wheel pant. So here is a Extra 300 wheel, and you can tell that the hub is sitting in a little bit on these. Like this side is more flat, this side is kind of recessed in a little bit. These are some Dubro soft tires that a lot of people use. A no bounce tire. When you hit, it's a thud, there's less bouncing. But you can see that this hub is really sitting in far. So if we were to use one of these Dubro wheels like in my hand, it wouldn't work without having to put a bunch of spacers back here, which is just add more weight, more weight, and more weight. So if we were to put this one on, it wouldn't work without a bunch of spacers. Let's put the stock wheel on, which is pretty cool. Look at it. It's kind of a sloppy fit too, in my opinion. In case you want to order some, let's do the measurements real quick. So the axle shaft is 3.6 millimeters. So that's what you're looking for the axle shaft of the wheel. Could actually be a hair smaller because I feel like this is pretty sloppy. And then the width of the wheel, from the end of the hub to the end of the hub, is about 23.6 millimeters. And let's check that in American, or inches rather, 0.9 of an inch. So you want about an inch wide wheel. And what's really important is you want to make sure that the hub is sticking up just a little bit, or the tire will rub. And then the height of the tire is roughly 2.6 inches or so. So you can probably get 2 3/4 inch height, an inch wide on the wheel, and make sure the hub is sticking up a little bit past the tire, and then the 3.6 millimeters. Just a little fun fact, guys. Thank you. Hey, like, share, subscribe. Make sure you're still subscribed. That's the best way to support me. At 20,000 subscribers, we're going to give away 3 jets. That's uno, dos, and tres jets.